Good morning, everyone. Maz is okay here. Just a very quick one as an update. It's a breaking news. The abducted Ekiti State school children and teachers were this early hours of this morning released safely. In a heartwarming update, which is what I'm bringing to you, the abducted school children and their teachers from Ekiti State have been safely released, and they were brought to the Elemeru Palace at approximately 4 p.m. this morning. Recall that we have actually condemned the abduction of these children, and I made a tweet and I likened it to the end of Osisi Kanku in Abia State. When Osisi Kanku, during the time of Theodore Oji, kidnapped school children in Aba, that made the end of that gang, and Osisi Kanku met his Waterloo. I likened it to this and said that this will be the end of these men who did this heinous job of abducting innocent school children. Honestly, every one of us must be relieved to report their freedom, and we commend the tireless effort of the security operatives, the local hunters, the governors, the police, the army, whoever that was involved in getting these children released. Tragically, we must also mourn the loss of the school bus driver, whose life was taken while in their captivity. I say, may his soul rest in peace. But again, our thoughts are with the families during this incredible trying time. Recall that Governor Oyebanji has also expressed his deepest gratitude to President Tinubu for his urgent directive, which significantly, in his words, accelerated the search and rescue operation. But one question, when I read the statement by the governor, I would say, do we need the president to give directives before the security operatives do the job that they are paid to do? For me, that is arrant nonsense. You are paid to do a job, then go ahead and do that job. This issue of waiting for directive to go and rescue innocent school children, which a kidnap that should not have happened ab initio. Nonetheless, a heartfelt thanks is extended to the security agencies, nonetheless, for their dedication and support for the people of Ekiti State. One thing that then must happen is we need to know those behind this ordeal. We need to know behind those behind this kidnap, because things cannot continue in this manner. Abuja has become unsafe. Southwest has become unsafe. Northwest has become unsafe. Northeast has become unsafe. Even the Southeast is not spared. A friend last weekend was kidnapped, and after 3.8 million ransom was paid, that individual was released a week tomorrow. That is on Monday. We cannot continue like this. Whoever is behind these kidnaps, be them Igbo, Yoruba, Fulani, Efik, Ibibio, foreigners, it doesn't matter. They must be brought to book, and that is the minimum that we must demand from a government that ought to protect lives and property. I am Mazi Ezoke. Once more, if you're not subscribed to this platform, please by all means do.